How to fix Snapchat call problem. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Locate your Snapchat application, tap and hold on the application and then go to its app info section. You can also do it by going to settings, apps, Snapchat and then app info. Now go to permissions and then make sure you have these permissions allowed like phone, microphone, camera. These are the essential permissions that are required for Snapchat call. Next, go to your Play Store and then search for Snapchat. Make sure you have the latest version of Snapchat. If you have an update button, simply tap on it and get the latest version. Go back to settings and then go to its storage section and then tap on clear cache. And that should fix your problem. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.